In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a curtains transition animation effect in PowerPoint slides. This effect is perfect for adding a touch of drama and elegance to your presentations, making them not only more engaging, but also visually appealing. Let's walk through the steps to seamlessly integrate this feature into your slide deck. First things first, open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Once you've done that, navigate to the slide that you'd like to reveal with the curtains animation. It's important to note that this is the slide that will appear immediately after the curtain effect has finished, so choose your content wisely to create maximum impact for your viewers. Now that you've selected your slide, direct your attention to the PowerPoint ribbon, a set of toolbars at the top of the screen designed for making your presentation editing experience more efficient. Here you want to find and click on the Transitions tab. This is your go-to area for all things related to slide changes, including the curtains effect we're adding today. Within the Transitions tab, there's a group of options indicating different transition effects you can use. Among these options will be a more arrow, which points downwards. By clicking it, you'll unlock a full list of available transition effects, giving you a broader selection to choose from. This is a useful tip when you want to explore other creative transitions that PowerPoint offers. Once the complete list of transitions appears, scroll down and look for a category labeled Exciting. This is where the curtains effect resides. It's categorized here because, well, it's designed to create excitement as you move through your presentation. Click on the curtains option, and just like that, this dramatic effect is applied to your chosen slide. Now, with the curtains effect set during your slideshow presentation, the selected slide will be revealed as if grand curtains are dramatically opening, bringing an element of theatrical flair to your content. This not only helps maintain your audience's attention, but also sets a particular mood or tone that can underscore the message you're delivering. Practicing this transition will provide a smoother presentation delivery. Run through your slides a few times to get comfortable with the timing and effect, ensuring everything aligns perfectly. Remember, transitions like the curtains effect are not just about aesthetics. They play a key role in pacing and controlling how information is received by your audience. So make sure it complements your content rather than overpowering it. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you've just elevated your presentation skills, making your slides as engaging as your spoken words. Keep experimenting with other transitions and animations to keep your presentations fresh and exciting. Thanks for joining today, and happy presenting.